share with you my favorite exercise that I do when I have some back pain. So usually in any exercise, if not in exercise in daily life, if you're trying to pick up something, you're trying to do any kind of exercise, any new exercise if you opt, for example, today you started doing pull-ups. Tomorrow you will most probably have lower back pain. Because I don't know whether this is true or not, but whenever I start a new exercise or whenever I do something new or something more heavy, which is not usually there in my routine, I will start feeling back pain. So one exercise, this is like a yoga-ish exercise that I found, and I do this. It is very good. I am going to share it with you. Now there are many ways to keep your back safe. Do the exercises properly with the correct technique and never kind of overstretch your back. Always warm up properly. There are many stretches in yoga. There are many stretches that you usually find in sports. So all that is there. But one exercise that has worked for me. Let us see. As we are over here, we are lying over here like this, and this is also very relaxing. Fits together, and as you can see, I am not like this. पैर को देखो, पैर को ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा है. So from here, very simple, I will place my hands down and I will rest my forehead on the floor. This itself is a very relaxing pose for your back. Now, this is a relaxing position, no inhalation, exhalation, I mean no specific way of breathing. From here, this is just for relaxing. So from here, slowly I will lift up my arms, bring it close to my chest, and then I will go up, maybe like this or more, because both ways are there. People do it, some people say this is correct, or some people say this is correct. We don't have to go in details. Our purpose is to stretch the back and maybe relieve some pain. So from here, relaxed position, lift up your hands and stretch up like this. You have to breathe in when you go up. Always when I am going up, I will breathe in, and this is done very, very slow. Breathing in through the nose and also exhaling out through the nose. How to exhale? When I am going down, I will exhale. So it is like inhalation very slowly and exhalation very slowly. So यहाँ से सांस अंदर पूरा भी जा सकते हैं. सांस अंदर लिया और फिर सांस धीरे 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 छोड़ते हुए इधर. और यहाँ पे रिलैक्स करना है. यहाँ पे 3-4 बार सांस ले लो. आपको कोई लेने देगा तो. Exercise number 2. We will be sitting like this, and not necessarily very close over here, a little relaxed. And from here, as you can see, I am not placing my knees very close to my, दोनों घुटने एकदम बहुत पास नहीं है, तो there is some gap in between, actually a little more gap. So from here what I will do is, this is a basic exercise for stretching downwards आगे की तरफ, right? So I will lift up my hands like this, and what I will do is, as slow as possible I will go down, and when I do this I will exhale, I will breathe out, and when I go down like this, slowly I will go down, and then I will try to stretch maximum, and I will try to touch my forehead to the floor. Now what this does is, this gives a nice stretch to your. So let's recap exercise number 2. Recap नहीं, पूरा बताया नहीं था मैंने. पूरा actually the full thing is like when you go down you breathe out, and this is done very slow. When you go up you breathe in. So it is done like this. Breathe in and breathe out. ऐसा करने के बाद जब पैर में दर्द होगा उसके लिए अलग वीडियो बनाऊंगा मैं. Now these two exercises can be done in combination also. How? So you're going down, you're stretching down. This is something I don't know whether this is like perfect yoga or not. This is an exercise I used and it helped me. Breathe in, breathe out slowly. You can go down and stretch. From here, like a Mishra Dand, you can go forward and stretch up. And then again, you can go back and stretch out while breathing out. So, other than these two exercises, try to keep your back safe. Don't do any exercise after which you feel back pain. If you are feeling some pain in your back, if this is not that muscle soreness or something like that, maybe you are doing the exercise wrong. Ask someone, do the exercise properly, especially lifting and all. There is a bad reputation to exercises like a deadlift in the gym and all. That you shouldn't do it, it will destroy your back. No, if it is done properly, those weightlifting exercises will make your back healthy. But it should be done properly. So technique is more important. These are like a simple tips apart from the exercises. Other than that, don't arch your back while you're laying on your back. For exercises, especially like knee raise, leg raise, ab exercises. Now, if for lifting my leg I am doing this and then doing it, there is a extra pressure or extra what do you say? यहाँ पे कमर में वो हो जाएगा problem, right? So I am not to do it like this, arching my back. I am supposed to keep it like this, flat on the ground, and then because we want to make this a exercise for the core, not for the back. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe और भाई बेल आइकन भी बोल दें. हाँ बेल आइकन भी दबा. हाँ प्रेस द बेल आइकन ऑल्सो. क्या हुआ? हाँ बस बस भाई. Also check out Bujin TV, which is the Netflix of martial art, where you'll find instructional videos of seminars and martial art content that I know you will enjoy. So you can use Karate TV as the code. Use code Karate TV for getting first month free subscription. Link is in description. Bujin TV.